Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Luke O'Kiley car brake fluid tester. But on the market, so many devices on the market, but they are still all the same, okay? This is a universal car brake oil tester, a battery operated car diagnostic pan. It will show us the water level in our brake fluid with 5 LED indicators for brake fluids dot 3, 4 and 5. For what is it for brake fluid? The good old brake fluid is a type of hydraulic fluid used in hydraulic brake systems and hydraulic clutches. Applications in automobiles, motorcycles and light trucks, and some bicycles too. It is used to transfer force into pressure and to amplify braking force. It works because liquids are not appreciable compressible. The most brake fluid used today are glycol ether-based, but mineral oil, Citroen Rolls-Royce liquid hydraulic mineral, LHM, and silicone-based, that is DOT5 fluids, are also available. And on the market, on modern cars, there are a lot of DOT5. So this tester here can shows you how many water is in the liquid soaked into it. This is not good because if there is water in the fluid, you see the water. If it is warm, the water will change to air. It will goes in the air. It will make a foam first, and then it will goes to steam. And steam is compressible, and that's not good in a brake system, isn't it? Yes, really, because this is possible if it's hot. The air, or it's not air, it is water. The water change to the other option, and this is compressible. And then you have a problem, because if you push on the pedal and the brake, the hydraulic is in work, no brake moment will come to you. That's not good. Oh no. But this does not happen if there is only a little water inside or nothing with new brake fluid. And to check this, we can use that kind here of tester. It's really easy to operate with it. We test the car brake fluid quality quickly to check whether it is qualified, which can remind us to change the brake fluid when necessary to avoid traffic accident. The LED indicators will show percentage of the water in the brake fluid with 3 colors: green, yellow and red. It's calibrated for cars using DOT4, DOT3 and DOT5, of course. We only take seconds to know the result. Very easy to use. That means we push it into the fluid tank and it works with electronic power. We turn on the brake fluid tester by pressing the button on the top. A green light should light up. If the light does not come on, it may be time to change the battery for you. We unscrew the lid for the brake fluid reservoir and take off the cap for the brake fluid tester. We dip the tester probes into the brake fluid, and the LED lights will indicate the percentage of water in the brake fluid itself. Then, after testing, we have to remember to screw the lid of the brake fluid reservoir back on and tightly. That's really important. The tester will automatically power off after 12 seconds of inactivity. What can we see on the tester? Green, no water. Good job. Green and yellow, less than 1% of water. It's okay. Green, yellow, yellow, approximately 2% of water. Okay. But green, yellow, yellow, red, ooh, there are 3% of water in the liquid, so we should change it. And of course, yellow, yellow, red, red, more than 4%. The brake fluid must be changed urgently. Okay, the brake fluid tester is calibrated, and you can go on and use it for nearly all brake fluid on the market and in your vehicles out there. It's really fast, really easy, and it's a good way for a DIY to check how good is your brake fluid inside your car, for example. But you have to replace it. It's really important because of the water inside. That's it's possible with this tester here, and in this case, it's the Lug Cayley car brake fluid tester. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.